Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hidayatullah with another new video with AutoCAD tutorial in English, as we have started a AutoCAD tutorial series in English, and this is its lesson 20, and we are almost in the finishing of this lesson. So this is part 5 of basic home plan practice. In your previous 4 videos I have discussed about many things about home plan practice. I mean, how we'll draw a perfect home plan, and also I have discussed about almost 15 video in 16 video where I have discussed about AutoCAD basic or everything. So let's start. Here is our previous model, and we have completed that. So in this video I'll show you that how we'll insert. I'll delete that. And in this video I'll show you that how we'll insert different types of furniture that required for our house plan. So how we'll do that. Suppose for our for our bedroom we need some. I will delete that every time first time, and here delete it. So now suppose we have to give here some furniture to arrange our room. So how we'll do that? For that you have to click DC. Okay, you have to click DC, then press enter, and you will come here. But sometimes that is not okay, that every time you will come here you can it will not show to you. So that how we'll take it in here. So in our previous video I have already discussed, you can take it see that from there and here. Suppose if I minus that, and here just see here it's showing for design center. In design center it's showing which types of elements you required. Suppose if you required here house space planner drawing. So if we double click here, after double click you have to again double click here. So after that, yeah, suppose you need bed, chair, chair rocking or anything from here, then how will do that? So for that, suppose if you need a bed, you can click here. After that, from here double click, then you will find that it here, and also you can give the specific scale you required in which direction. So first of all I will insert the original one, then I will change that. So press OK, then close that, and where you want to place that. Suppose here I want to place our bed. Okay, suppose here I want to place our bed, but now here one thing is, suppose you need to increase that size or you need to decrease that size, then how will do that? So for that, in every time I have discussed with you that we'll use our scale factor. So press SC, then sorry, escape. At first, before providing that command to escape, then SC, then enter, then select object. So from here we'll select that object, then again enter, then specify the base points. With respect to that point will increase or decrease. So from here if you move your mouse it will increase or decrease, but you can give the scale. Suppose I will increase that in 25% of that scale. So it will be 1.25. you have to give here value 1.25, then enter. So you are seeing that it's have been increased. Now just select that and press press M for move, then enter, and specify the base point, then give it here. So like that way you can change that size. So suppose select that again, I will copy that, copy, and select the base point, and where I will give it, suppose I will give it here on, and I will give it here on, and I will give it here on. But you are seeing that this bed are inside of a door, so in like previous you can decrease that size. So for that you have to click SC, okay, then press, then especially the base point I will select that is as base point, then I'll give the reference, I mean scale factor, I'll give scale factor as a 1, then enter. Okay, so it's again not okay. So again I have to select that, then press SC, then enter, and specify the base point here, then specify the scale factor, I will give 0.75 suppose, then enter. So it is being small. So like that way you can change that, and also you can rotate that according to room condition, and I mean how you want to place that. Now suppose you need to insert some furniture, DC, again press DC, sorry, escape, again press DC, sorry, DC as a command, and then enter. After that uh, suppose here is the home space, another house design. From here double click on block, so from here you can take materials for your washroom, or the toilet basin. So after that here home space planner, then I will suppose I need a dining table, so here the dining set. So from here again double click and press OK, then close that, and from here I want to set a dining table, suppose here or here I want to set a dining table, and I will just click here and press rotate. Auto, I'll rotate that, rotate, and specify the base point. This is the base point, and I will rotate that in that direction. Then I'll select that and MO, press MO M, and enter, and then specify the base point and move it. So like that way you can do anything and what you required for your home planner. So I think it's okay. And suppose if you need to insert toilet, DC again, then enter. So from here minus that, and house designer block, double click, then there's a toilet tab here, then double click on it, then OK, then close that and put it here, and also select that, and Ctrl C, then Ctrl V, and move it here. And you can also rotate that according to that like us our previous work, so you can rotate anything. And in this way you can do your, suppose I want to give a floor here, so for that you have to close, then house designer block. So from here sorry, double click here. Suppose you want to give some plant, double click, then press OK, and then close. And here you want to give some flower, then again double click, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, again you want to give here on, sorry, Ctrl Z, Ctrl C, you want to give here you want to give one, and Ctrl V, here you want to give another one. So like that way you can do your work that you require for your work purpose. I think this is okay for now, and this video I will try to, I mean in our next video I will try to complete another part of that. So thank you very much, and press the like button, and also share that video, and don't forget to leave a comment, your own comment, and online inspire us for the next work. So thank you. Thank you very much. S12, stay connected till next video.